This is how you set up your Tracercoin wallet. I'm Winslow, and by the end of this video, you'll have an address ready to receive TFX. Start by downloading the Tracercoin core wallet from tracercoin.org. Because Tracercoin follows the Litecoin model, the wallet works the same way Litecoin's does. So if you've used that before, this will feel familiar. Run the installer, then open the wallet. The first time it launches, it will begin syncing with the network. Let it run. While it syncs, do the most important thing you will ever do with a wallet: back it up. Go to the File menu and choose Backup Wallet, then save the wallet.dat file somewhere safe and offline. If you lose that file and your password, your coins are gone, and no one can recover them. So back it up now, before you hold any real value. Next, set an encryption passphrase under the Settings menu. Choose something strong, and never store it in the same place as your backup. Now create your first address. Open the Receive tab, click Request Payment or New Address, and the wallet gives you a TFX address you can share to receive coins. Copy it, label it, and you're ready. That's your wallet. Next, learn how to mine Tracercoin and join the pool.